How to stop being broke. I've been there. I once hit rock bottom, drowning in debt and feeling so hopeless that I even contemplated suicide. But then, someone helped me see a way out. First things first, you need to understand how you got into this mess. Being broke is a financial crisis and unexpected, unplanned change. This often happens when we break certain financial laws. Let's dive into these laws and see how we can turn things around. The first law is the law of work. Work gives us purpose and stability. If you're not working, find a job or start a small business. Believe it or not, some businesses can be started with $0. When I was at my lowest, getting back to work gave me a sense of control and hope. Remember, work isn't just about making money. It's about building a foundation for your future. Next up is the law of seed time and harvest. When you harvest, don't eat all the seeds. Save some for the next planting season. Not having savings was a major issue for me. It felt like I was working for nothing. But once I started saving, even a little bit, it gave me hope for the future. Saving is like planting seeds for a brighter tomorrow. Then, there's the law of planning. A crisis often means reacting to unplanned changes. Good change is planned and prepared for, while bad change catches us off guard. Without a plan, I was just drifting, reacting to every financial storm. Planning gave me direction and control. Planning turns change into an opportunity instead of a crisis. We also need to obey the law of learning and adaptation. The punch that knocks you out is the one you didn't see coming. Times change, and so should we. Keep educating yourself about financial trends and skills. Stay ahead of the game by continually learning and adapting. Finally, there's the law of skill. Skill is understanding the rules governing a particular system. When your health fails, you see a doctor. When your finances fail, you need financial knowledge. This is why you need to subscribe to this channel. Here, we share the financial skills you need to thrive. Together, we can learn how to navigate this complex world of money and relationships. Thank you for watching. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Leave your questions in the comments. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new video. Let's build a brighter financial future together. See you next time.